Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, may i-share ako na video sa inyo guys. So nag-email po yung Google AdSense guys. Google AdSense kasi sabi ng email dito, update your tax information soon. The tax information that we have on the file of your expire on December 31, 2024. After your current form expire, we need to withhold up to 30% of your payments hold payouts completely until your new tax form is approved, to make sure that you paid timely manner and the right taxes are withheld up to 30%. If applicable, update your tax information as soon as possible. So kailangan i-update yung tax information natin guys, kasi pag hindi ma-update until December 31, 2024, babawasan po yun yung sahod natin sa YouTube ng 30%. So yun. So pag 30% guys, syempre ang laki na niyan. Sobrang laki na niyan guys. Kaya ang gagawin natin para hindi tayo mabawasan ng 30% na tax, i-update natin yung information natin sa ating Google AdSense. So ang gagawin natin guys, back tayo guys, tapos punta tayo sa ating Chrome, kasi Chrome gagamitin natin. Tapos click natin ito ang Google AdSense, search natin, tapos yan, tapos click natin ang magsimula. So ayan, nakalagay na po yung Google AdSense natin guys. So ang gagawin niyo guys, click niyo itong pinakagilid, yung dalawang guhit sa taas, tapos click nyo i-click nyo ang payment info guys, itong payment info, ayan, tapos ilagay natin dito Philippine. So ayan, scroll down tayo guys, tapos i-click natin ang pagkatapos guys, i-click ang manage settings. So hintayin lang natin. So andito na tayo guys. Pagkatapos guys, scroll up kayo guys, tapos i-click nyo itong lapis guys, United State Tax Info, i-click yan. Tapos i-click nyo ang manage tax info. So dito na tayo guys. So dito guys sa United States. So April 6, 2022 pa yung na-approve yung United Tax ko guys. So ngayon i-update natin, i-click natin itong show tax details and documents, click yan. So dito, pagkatapos guys, dito na tayo guys, submit new form, click ninyo guys. Pagkatapos guys, ito guys, if you start a new form you previously submit from the form will be removed. Tapos i-click nyo ang start new form. Tapos guys, nasa inyo na po kung basahin nyo ito. Plan on taking 15-20 minutes. So ang pag type ng new form guys is 15 to 20 minutes yung katagalan. So click natin ang start form. Tapos guys, ito guys, dito na tayo. So what type of account is your channel? So sa akin individual, click natin, tapos click ang next. So dito na tayo. Dito guys, are you citizen or residents of the United States? So click natin ang no, tapos click next. So dito, tapos dito guys, select W8 tax form type. So this form W8 bin, this form is most commonly used by non-US individuals. So click natin tong W8 bin guys, tapos click ang start W8 bin form. Dito guys sa county and region citizenship, so hanapin natin ang Philippines kasi taga Pilipinas tayo guys. So ayan, foreign TIN niyo guys, yung TIN number niyo guys, ilagay lang niyo dyan. Tapos ilagay lang nyo ang foreign TIN nyo guys, tapos i-click, pagkatapos guys i-click na nyo ang next. Ito na tayo guys. So street address, so nakalagay ng address dyan. So ayan, ito guys, i-click nyo guys, postal address is same as permanent residence address is dito sa mailing address, i-click tong box. So ayun. Tapos guys, i-click niyo ang next. So dito na tayo sa tax treaty. Tapos guys, i-click niyo itong yes, I am eligible for reducing withholding rate. Click niyo yan, yes. Tapos i-click niyo itong sa box guys, resident of the following country within the meaning of the income tax treaty between states and that country. Click niyo ang sa box, i-check. Tapos guys, itong country guys, click nyo ang Philippines. Hanapin yung Philippines dyan. Uy, sana yung Philippines. Yun. Tapos scroll up kayo. Ito guys, other copyright royalties such as the YouTube Partner Program. So i-click nyo yan guys, box. Yung box na yan. Tapos itong article and program, article 13 and paragraph 2A. Click nyo yan. Tapos guys, itong withholding rate, click nyo yan. Tapos 15% reduced treaty rate, i-click nyo yan, 15%. Tapos guys, reason, meet terms and article tax as residents of the country, identify the convention. So i-click nyo yung box guys. Tapos dito guys, i-check nyo yan, click yan. Tapos article 8 paragraph 1, click nyo yan. Tapos guys, withholding rate, i-click nyo yan. Tapos 0% reduced treaty rate, click yan. Tapos as a tax resident of country identification convention, so i-check nyo yan ang box na yan guys. So dito guys, motion, picture and TV royalties, i-check yan. Tapos article and paragraph, i-click yan. Tapos article 13 and paragraph 2A, click yan. Tapos withholding rate 15% reduced treaty. Tapos guys, as a tax resident of the country identified the convention, so i-click nyo yung box na yan. Tapos i-click nyo ang next. Ito guys, tax treaty certification. This is eligible for a reduced holding rate tax treaty country Philippines, income type service, article 8 and paragraph 1, withholding rate 0%. So ayan guys, so scroll down kayo, scroll up. Ito guys, activities and services performed in the US. Has JMM Gang perform any activities and services for Google within the US, or do they expect to the future in the future? So click nyo ang no. I certify that the service provided in Google are affiliate performs solely outside the US and that deliver capital. So yun guys. Tapos guys, i-click lang nyo itong box guys, check lang yan, tapos i-click nyo ang next. Tapos guys, ito na po, Google paperless, receive your tax document electronically instead by the post, going paperless but can help protect your personal information. So I accept the paperless delivery agreement. So i-click natin yan guys, check natin yan. Pagkatapos guys, i-click nyo ang next. So ito na po yung form W8 bin, no treaty applied. So ito na po yung form guys. So ito guys, kung gusto niyo i-open yung form guys, i-click niyo yung PDF na yan. Kung gusto niyo i-open, so sa atin, huwag na lang natin i-open. So I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax document. So i-click natin yung box na yan, tapos i-click natin ang next. Guys, certify and sign tax form information certification under penalties. I-check lang natin yan guys. Tapos guys, scroll up tayo. Tapos yes, I am beneficial. I-click lang yung ito guys. Yes, I am the beneficial owner name in the tax identity section. So i-click natin ang yes. Tapos scroll up tayo. Tapos i-click natin ang submit guys. So pagka-submit guys, finally tapos na po yung pag-fill up natin ng tax information natin sa ating Google AdSense guys. So ayun guys, Singapore lagi ni. So ayun guys, United States, your tax info has been accepted. Ayun, so status approved. Nag-submit tayo on November 4, 2024 and mag-expire po siya guys is December 31, 2027. So 3 years pa po guys. So yun lang po ang gagawin nyo.